All right, we are out here at Kunle Motorsports Park. Once again, I think this time I got a good feeling about it. You know, one mod at a time, we're gonna get Dad's car fixed up. Last time we had a header leak. We found a bunch of loose exhaust bolts and just went through the system. And then this time we had a couple of wires that were bad, but we didn't even see when we had it apart the first time. So cousin Paul found our little miss. I just pulled right out, literally just pulled right out. So today we're gonna be, we're pretty excited about today. If we can get the thing to leave, it's gonna make a good time. For a street car. This is one of the reasons why I made an investment in my fuel system with E85. We just spent $75 for 5 gallons of 110, and if I'm being honest, E85 is a pretty good fuel, and it's on the pump that you can get like $2.50 a gallon, and we've had a lot of success with it over the years. I can't put it on Dad's car because I mean, it requires a fuel system because it uses about 30% more fuel than a normal like 110 or regular pump gas like petroleum. It is what it is, man. We have a little bit of fun. We don't race with Dad's car too much, and we're not planning on it, but we're gonna dial it in, and then he can enjoy it on the street just like he does now and have a little fun with it. Now, I did want to make mention that a lot of the survivability that we've had from the years of doing GT40 stock block, stock bottom end stuff, GT40 heads, you know, turbo builds, making 400, 500 wheel. When we take it to the track and even on the street a little bit, we would mix like 110 race fuel with, you know, regular pump gas like 93, especially when we turn it up at the track a little bit and adding a little bit to 93 pump gas, like a 50-50 mix or even a 75-25 mix of pump gas versus 110. So that's kind of one of the cheats that I wanted to mention about survivability with your stock block, stock bottom end turbo, nitrous, even, you know, supercharger build. You can mix a little bit of race gas with it and it'll help with detonation, keep the motor together. It's not a necessity, but it's something that we've done and it's worked for years. So we just got called up to the lanes, and I want to check this tamer real quick. We're trying to make sure that we can roll into the beams and still use the clutch tamer. There's multiple adjustments that can happen with this, but this is our first time out, so we're still learning the system. But we want to make sure it works, even if we bring the pedal up a little bit. Give it a little clutch, pull it back in. Seems like that's going to be okay. Let's see how far we can go out with it before it deactivates. Still does it. It locks it. Shock is in it. Pull it out a little bit. Still works. Look at that. Okay, that's good. So I can actually stage it and time it with the yellow light.
Okay.
You see a little red button, you'll see a little red light up here in the top. You'll just see it counting down. You just set it down on my wheel.
Okay, cool.
All right, here we go. I got paired up with my buddy from Hoopman Racing. Car runs 9-second passes, so we've seen it run 8s before, so it's going to be pretty cool. It definitely runs a lot better. see what the time was. Thank you, sir. What? Okay. Wow. All right. One pass. This Garrett Leach Tamer got my dad's car right. Pure street car. Come on. We'll see. I'll show you in a minute. All right, guys, that was a really good pass. I'm very happy with what we have accomplished here with Dad's car. It's actually a lot faster than I thought it was gonna go, and it actually 60-footed really well. We were on the same exact settings we were at Foxtoberfest when we ran on a 720. I'm pretty happy with the progress. We're only gonna make one hit today. I'm not trying to beat Dad's car up. But last week we went a 177 60-foot, 1188 at 117 miles an hour. In just one pass the following week, we shaved a bunch of 60-foot, went at 1119 at 122 miles an hour in a quarter mile. That's a huge difference, and we probably got a little more in it to begin with. And I told you there was quite a bit of time in that 60-foot. And running with the Tamer, it's gonna probably make the car a lot more consistent, whatever car we're running in. And these sort of times will be repeatable. We've always done really well with our left foot, right foot, just leaving with our foot pedal, but this will make it consistent in any car that we put it in. Again, we're not trying to make Dad's car a race car here. This is just a 450 horsepower street car, and we enjoy it. We don't have all the mods in it that we have in our other cars. If you guys enjoy this sort of content, what we're doing with Dad's car, simple street car, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Check out that join button, become a member of the channel. It helps to go to do content like this. But outside of that, I appreciate you guys watching. Super happy for what we got done today. I love y'all. We'll see you in the next one.